In this tutorial, we'll explore the Connect module. Connect is an all-in-one solution for efficient distribution management. In this tutorial, we'll show you how Connect can streamline your lead acquisition and conversion processes, taking you from prospect to payment effortlessly. Connect makes it easy to maximize efficiency, helping you qualify leads by gathering critical data or dynamic parameters. With on-the-go approvals, you can make swift, informed decisions, ensuring that the best opportunities move forward smoothly. From qualifying leads to finalizing payments, Connect empowers you to manage distribution seamlessly and keep your operations running without a hitch. Let's dive into the Connect module. To get started, create a distribution type survey in the Survey module by selecting Basic Registration and following the steps outlined in the Basic Registration tutorial. This time, select Connect App Distribution Survey as the survey type. For simplicity, we'll keep this survey in a single language. Fill in the required details. Once you have filled in all the details, click on Finished button. Note that a Connect App Distribution Survey already includes essential questions like name, phone number, identification proof, and qualifying criteria for leads. If you'd like to add more questions to better qualify potential leads, go to the Form Builder and follow the instructions provided in the Form Builder tutorial. Next, head to the Customer Mapping tab in the sidebar. Select the appropriate project, product type, survey, and team for your survey. Since this is a Connect App Distribution Survey, you'll also need to enter the product price and interest rate specific to this project. Once completed, click Create Mapping. Once customer mapping is set up, it's time to deploy the survey. Go to the Deploy Survey tab in the sidebar. Select your project and product type, then locate your survey from the list. Open the three-dot menu beside the survey and choose Deploy. Now, your ground team can log into the Connect app and begin collecting data according to the mapped survey settings. This seamless setup will support your team in gathering valuable lead information through the Connect app. To monitor the progress of your lead collection survey in real time, navigate to the Connect module. This module will show you valuable insights into data collection activities across your team. To view your distribution progress, first locate the Connect app survey from your list and select it. The first tab you will see is the dashboard. Here you can get a comprehensive view of your distribution activities. The distribution card provides key insights showing the total number of units distributed. You can easily see breakdowns by time frame, such as the last 30 days, 7 days, and the past 24 hours. Below that, the distribution trend bar graph shows the monthly distribution counts over different years, giving you a clear view of how distributions have progressed. The region-wise distribution chart shows the percentage share of units distributed across different regions, highlighting where the most units have been delivered so far. And finally, the map at the bottom displays the geolocations of customers, marking where each unit has been distributed. With the Connect dashboard, you can track all distribution progress at a glance, ensuring you stay informed every step of the way. Now let's move to the next tab, Performance Metrics. This section provides dynamic insights into your team's performance and distribution status. Through dynamic charts, you can instantly view the total number of leads collected and quickly spot any leads with potential errors. You can also track the count of units distributed in real time. In the Performance Metrics table, you'll find detailed progress tracking for each team member. This allows you to monitor their lead count, distribution totals, and overall efficiency, keeping your team's performance clear and actionable. With Performance Metrics, Connect keeps your team on track and helps you optimize lead conversions and distribution processes effortlessly. Now let's move to the next tab, Customer Data. Here you can dive into detailed data for individual leads and distributions. To view distributions, switch to the Distribution tab To view leads, you can switch back. This section includes global filters such as status, so you can focus on leads or distributions in specific categories like unverified, update needed, or approved. There is also a date filter to view leads or distributions from a specific time frame. To download leads, simply click on the download button, set your filters, and then hit Download Report. To download distribution data, switch to the Distributions tab and follow the same process. For a closer look at any lead, click on the three-dot menu and select Edit. This opens a screen where you can update responses as needed. If an answer requires reverification, select Report to Monitor. Add a comment and click Report. This notifies surveyor responsible for gathering that information. If all information in a lead is verified and it's a potential lead, you can approve it. This will make lead available in the Connect app for distribution.